Operation Cedar Falls took place between January 8th and 26th, 1967. It was
The biggest campaign of the war in Vietnam, Operation Cedar Falls, continues to blast its way through the once impregnable Iron Triangle. This area has been a Viet Cong stronghold since the French Indochina War. American GIs and Vietnam regulars combine forces in the offensive. A hot machine gun is cooled by oil during this non-stop drive. A systematic and painstaking ground search covers every inch of the jungle to find VC food and supply installations. B-52 bombers and tanks plastered the triangle before the foot soldiers moved in. Explosives wipe out the Cong hideouts, where huge stores of food and supplies were hidden. Even top-secret enemy documents were captured. Operation Cedar Falls is a big success, and American military leaders predict that many similar battle plans will follow in its footsteps.